How essential oils help health is a complementary therapy. The use of essential oils for health is known as aromatherapy, a complementary therapy. Aromatherapy can be used as a standalone health treatment. As a complementary medicine, aromatherapy is used to support conventional treatment of various conditions. Here are some of the best essential oils and their uses. Basil Essential Oil. Basil Essential Oil is used to sharpen concentration and alleviate some of the symptoms of depression. It is used to relieve headaches and migraines. Note, it should be avoided during pregnancy. Bergamot Essential Oil. Bergamot Essential Oil is said to be useful for the urinary tract and digestive tract. When combined with eucalyptus oil, it helps relieve skin problems, including those caused by stress and chicken pox. Black Pepper Essential Oil. Black pepper essential oil is used for stimulating the circulation. It helps muscular aches and pains, and relieves bruises. Combined with ginger essential oil, it is used to reduce arthritis pain and improve flexibility. Chamomile Essential Oil. Chamomile Essential Oil is used to treat eczema and prevent infection. It helps improve digestion, treats rheumatism and enhances mood. Citronella Essential Oil. Citronella Essential Oil is produced from a variety of lemongrass plant. It is commonly used as an insect repellent. For personal health and well-being, citronella can be used to inhibit bacterial growth, eliminate infection, inhibit fungal growth, reduce fever and help fight depression. Clove Essential Oil. Clove Essential Oil is used as a topical analgesic, or painkiller, and it is commonly used for toothache. It is also used as an antispasmodic and antiemetic, which prevents vomiting and nausea. It also acts as a carminative, preventing gas buildup in the gut. Clove Essential Oil has antimicrobial, antioxidant and antifungal properties. Eucalyptus Essential Oil. Eucalyptus Essential Oil can help relieve our airways when we have cold or flu. It can help ease cough and can relieve seasonal allergy. Eucalyptus reduces pain and inflammation and can be used to prevent infection. Many people are allergic to eucalyptus, best to do allergy test before use. Geranium Essential Oil. Geranium Essential Oil can be used for treating a variety of skin problems, including acne. It helps reduce stress, anxiety, depression and insomnia. Geranium Essential Oil is also used to promote emotional stability and enhance mood. Geranium oil can alleviate pain, stimulate healing from burns and wounds and reduce inflammation. Jasmine Essential Oil. Jasmine Essential Oil is used for prevention of infection. It also helps to reduce cough, treat insomnia, and reduce spasm. Jasmine has a sedative effect and has been used for centuries as an aphrodisiac. Research has shown that the odor of jasmine increases beta waves, which are linked to alertness. As a stimulant, jasmine may increase penile blood flow. Lavender Essential Oil. Lavender Essential Oil is used as an antiseptic for minor cuts and burns. It also helps enhance relaxation and can aid sleep. Lavender is said to relieve headache and migraine symptoms. Lemon Essential Oil. Lemon Essential Oil is said to improve mood and relieve symptoms of stress and depression. It can be used to treat skin conditions such as acne, athlete's foot, warts, and varicose veins. In addition, lemon essential oil is said to stimulate the immune system, alleviate pain, and promote weight loss. Rosemary Essential Oil. Rosemary Essential Oil is used to promote hair growth, boost memory, prevent muscle spasms, and support the circulatory and nervous systems. Sandalwood Essential Oil. Sandalwood Essential Oil has antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and antispasmodic properties. It can also be used to help lower blood pressure and has sedative properties. Sandalwood is also believed to be effective as an aphrodisiac. Teatree Essential Oil. Teatree Essential Oil is said to have antimicrobial, antiseptic, and disinfectant qualities. It is used in shampoos and skincare products. It is effective for treating acne, burns, and bites. It is excellent as a mouth rinse, but it should never be swallowed. Thyme Essential Oil. Thyme Essential Oil is said to help reduce fatigue, nervousness, and stress. Yarrow Essential Oil. Yarrow Essential Oil is used to treat symptoms of cold and flu. It helps rheumatism and arthritis, reducing inflammation in the joints. Yarrow helps with inflamed and injured muscles, as well as muscular and menstrual cramping. Yarrow is also useful for preventing scarring, including scarring from acne.